leathers, bitch. I'm fresh out, and yup, I'm with the what it is. I'm here now. Bitch, it's the damn hoes know who I am. Selling quarters of the haze, got them on 7 grams. Nigga never did play. Get out my way. Welcome back to the game, but the name ain't names. Now it's big publicity. Steady wrecking shit. Pocket full of green like Luigi outfit. Now who the hell can stop me? Ballin' is a hobby. Keep them dollar signs like I'm Ted DiBiase. Blue A pro model, but I'm not from Atlanta, from gorillas in the jungle. I heard stacking these bananas. Don't trick though to a skeezer. Bitch, I can't please you. Got more cheese than the Angela Mea's pizza. Can't fuck with the bottom, so I'm headed to the top. Blowing through, watching blow while I'm getting a blowjob. Cause I'm throw. Screens gon' glow. Piece and chain hang. Froze up my testicles. Now I'm back on the mission. 25 inch. Doors mad rims the size of the speed limit, so I don't get a ticket. Why would a trippin' trendsetter setting trends so dick riders pay attention? No, I'm bad news. Why even ask? Screens fall like rain. See the weather forecast. It's the damn Buddha. Just trying to school ya. Switching animals, Ryan jagged in the cougar. Don't make me up the Ruger. Wreck and imposters. Lion skin, fur fresh off of Mufasa. All about my dollars. Polo, popping collars. Euro 07, check the SS Impala. Why these niggas hate on me? Because I'm throw. Then I'm on a paper chase. I gotta get this dough. And now these hoes on my team. Because I'm clean. But everything's gravy. It's Boss Bird, baby. Niggas hate on me because I'm throw. Then I'm on a paper chase. I gotta get this dough. And now these hoes on my team because I'm clean. But everything's gravy. It's Boss Bird, baby.